Alright, yeah, guys. So today is July 4th. Right now I'm here at church with them people. And later today we're going to go to downtown Austin and see the fireworks show. And then after that, explore and then pop some fireworks maybe. But yeah, no, I started over.
What does that mean? Bottle to wine? Water. Oh, water to wine?
That was the first miracle that Jesus did.
Alright, yeah, guys. So right now I'm at church. Right now we're waiting for one of my friend, my friend Chris to come here so we could head to downtown. And yeah, I'll see you guys when he's here and we have everything ready. So. Okay, so right now we're in the car and we're trying to figure out where to park because downtown is like super packed right now.
Bro, we got 3 vloggers in the car.
Yeah, and then like we're in a gas station right now and it's freaking crowded, dude. But yeah, it's gonna take us a long time to find a good park. Alright guys, so we've made it to a parking area, a parking lot, and it was $15 for just 2 to 4 hours. It's a lot of money, but it's gonna be worth it. Alright guys, so right now we're just walking through downtown, trying to get to the auditorium. That's what it's called?
Auditorium Shores?
Auditorium Shores. But yeah, we still have like probably like 20 minutes to go, 30. Yeah. Dang, bro, that's high.
Yeah, I'm gonna edit that part.
$15 ride credit to try out.
Like, this is not even like the
$10 ride credit to try out the lift app. Free $10 ride credit to try out lift. Free
Hi there.
Hi. Hey, cutie. How are ya?
Bro, that's cute.
Oh, man. How long have you had them?
Since they were babies.
Alright guys, so we finally got a spot. It took us like 5 minutes to like find a spot. And then, bro, my brother got girls like asking to be on the vlog, dude. That's crazy.
So, that building over there, the one that looks like an owl, the architect applied for, well, the architect that designed that building applied for UT, but he got rejected. So he went to a university, I think in Houston, and the mascot was like an owl, right? It was like an owl. So he made that building like yeah, he just made that building like right there. You can see like the 2 circles, which are the eyes. Like, I don't know, if y'all can't see it, then y'all are dumb.
Yeah, it's
But
2 circles, 2 eyes.
no, I'm just kidding, guys. No.
The real Sergio HD, bro.
I'm not. But
Exposed.
no, but dang, nah, chill out.
If y'all can't see it, then y'all are dumb. Yeah.
No, but what's it called? Like, he made that building facing the UT tower. You really can't see the UT tower here, but yeah, it was he made it to mock him. So it's really cool. Yeah. So.
if y'all could see me. Okay, never mind. Yeah, you can. No, I'm trying to record like the fireworks right now, but like I'm doing it in a time lapse, so it comes out like really fast. But in like person, they're freaking badass. Alright guys, I think that's gonna be like I think it's over, the fireworks are over, but this was actually like really cool. And yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do after this. We're probably gonna go eat, and yeah. Okay, so in order to get to our car, we had to jump that long fence that led to like 10 minutes of walking. And right now I think we're like at a school full of deaf, and right now we're just walking, trying to jump another fence so we can make it to our car. My phone's at 6%. I hope I like get to charge it in the car. Yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so right now we're basically trespassing the school. Look at the view though. Ooh, it's getting kind of creepy because they're telling me to be quiet. So, I'll see you guys in a bit.
Before any cars come, dude. Come on, dude, just go, just jump.
Bro, just jump.
Just jump.
Bro,
People that work.
he's too scared to jump this
Oh, yeah,
fence.
dude, what's up, people? Come on, dude, just jump. Just put your leg again. Hey, security's coming, security's coming.
Like that. Push the other one.
Hurry.
Oh, that's like.
Bro, those are workers, dude. Hurry.
Before anybody else sees.
Just jump, screw it.
Get my legs. Get my legs.
Alright guys, so we made it to this restaurant. It's called like Gordo Donuts, and it's like a burger, but instead of the buns, it's donuts. And I'm not really craving any of this except just dessert.
Gonna get a donut.
And my battery's at 1%, so I'll probably like just vlog after I charge my phone. So I'll see you guys later after we eat, and yeah. Okay, so this is what we ordered. Me and Danny are sharing. I have 1 minute left, or like 1% left before my phone dies. This looks sexy. I'm gonna finish it. Alright guys, so right now we're basically trespassing the school. Look at the view though. Ooh, it's getting kind of creepy because they're telling me to be quiet. So, I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so we ended up not popping fireworks after, but yeah, right now we're at Christian's house. We're gonna have a sleepover, and yeah, not much to vlog, but thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and yeah, thank you for 160 subscribers, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Alright guys, today is July 4th. Okay, so we made it to Christian's house. Yeah. After eating like a chocolate dessert, and now I'm probably gonna end the vlog here. Thank you for watching.